Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a frame as an image in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you need to extract a specific moment from your video for thumbnails, social media posts, or reference images. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've got your project loaded and you're looking at your timeline, you'll need to navigate to the right workspace for this task. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several tabs representing different workspaces. Click on Color. This workspace is specifically designed for color grading, but it also gives us the perfect environment to grab still frames from our footage. Now that you're in the color workspace, take a look at your timeline, put your cursor on the video, and scrub through until you find the exact frame you want to capture. Once you've positioned your playhead on that perfect moment, right-click directly on the video. This action will capture that frame as a still image, essentially taking a snapshot of that precise moment in your timeline. Here's where it gets interesting. Look over to the left side of your screen and you'll notice the gallery panel. This is where DaVinci Resolve stores all your stills and screenshots. You should see the still that you just grabbed appear in this panel. The gallery acts as a temporary holding area for all the frames you capture during your editing session, making it easy to collect multiple stills before exporting them. Now it's time to actually save that image to your computer. Right-click on the image in the gallery panel, and from the menu that appears, click Export. This will open up a Save dialog window where you can choose where to store your image and what format you'd like to use. In the Save dialog, pay attention to the option labeled Save as Type. Here you can choose between different image formats. You'll typically see JPEG and PNG as your main options. JPEG is great for smaller file sizes and general use, while PNG offers higher quality and supports transparency if needed. Select whichever format works best for your needs, then click Export to save the file to your chosen location. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted a frame from your video and saved it as an image file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.